Welcome to yet another tutorial. My name is Carolina, and today I'll show you how to make this lounge top using my new sewing pattern called Olivia. You can buy this pattern from my shop on Etsy, and I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. Every video tutorial in Lingerie Collection will start with a swatch test. In those videos, I'll test different stitch types and needles. In this video, I'll use a Brother walking foot and test zigzag and straight stitch on this rib knit fabric. I highly recommend testing your sewing machine for the best option for your fabric before starting this project. As the results, I think both stitch types could actually work. Straight stitch with longer stitch length allows the fabric to stretch nicely, but so the zigzag stitch. So as I already tested zigzag stitch on this fabric in Lola tutorial, I'll use a straight stitch. To start, place the front panel on the back panel, then sew and overlock the sides and shoulders together. Moving on to the neckband, fold it in half and secure with pins. Then overlap the ends and make a secure stitch on the V shape. Use chalk to mark lines 1 cm away from the neckline. Then sew the V shape on the mark line. Cut the V shape open, but be careful not to cut the stitch line. Fold the neckband in half and mark the center back with a pin. Do the same with the sweatshirt. Then with the sweatshirt on the right side and neckband on the wrong side, we will start by matching the stitch lines we just made. The idea is to follow the stitch line shape. Start on the left side, and then once you're in the center front with the needle still down, lift the foot up and move your work back. Then continue to sew the neckband to your neckline. Pin neckband and sweatshirt together at the center back. The neckband is slightly shorter than the neckline, so we'll need to stretch the neckband slightly as we sew. So as I mentioned before, start on one side, stop in the middle, move your work back, and continue to sew on the other side until your stitch lines meet. Then turn sweatshirt wrong side out and overlook the neckline seam. Take 2 waistband pieces and sew them together on the sides. Fold the waistband in half and secure using pins. Add waistband to the sweatshirt starting from the side seams. Sew them together and overlook that seam. Moving on to the sleeves, fold sleeve piece in half, then sew and overlock that seam. Fold cuff piece in half and sew the shoulder edge. Then fold cuff in half and secure using pins. With sleeve on the wrong side, insert the cuff inside the sleeve. Align seams together first, and then stretch the cuff to fit the sleeve. Sew the cuff to the sleeve and overlock the seam. Next, insert the sleeves to the armholes and overlock the seams. You can finish the top at this point, but if you want to add a little nicer finish to this sweatshirt and hide the back neck overlooked seam, just keep watching. Take a pre-folded bias binding and bind the back neck seam only. Then top stitch the binding. And that's it, your own perfect lounge top using Olivia pattern. Thanks for watching.